Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the wavy and curly hair must-haves. Whether you have from 2 to 4C type of hair, I'm going to be sharing some tips and tools that everyone should be using to enhance their curl pattern and protect their curls throughout the week. And let's just get started. I have here written down everything just so I don't forget. So if I'm going to be looking down, I'm looking at this paper where I wrote everything down. The first thing we're going to be starting off is the DENMAN brush. I don't have the actual DENMAN brush. I have a lookalike from Amazon because the DENMAN brush is like around $20 and the one that I got is around like $10 or $11. I definitely have noticed a difference once I started using this brush. I'm going to insert this video that I actually did on TikTok using the lookalike brush that I have, and definitely it just really enhanced the wave pattern that I have. Whether you have wavy hair or curly hair, you really should only be brushing out your hair once you get out of the shower and then you put your products and everything like that. Because if right now, if I'm gonna brush my hair, that's just gonna cause a lot of breakage. That's why it's really important that you only brush out your hair when it's wet. So let's say right now, if I wanted to kind of brush out my hair, I'd have to wet it first, then I can brush it out and then apply more products. But this is more throughout the week. I just washed my hair and I brushed it out right when I got out of the shower and I put all my products, but that's it. I'm not gonna be brushing my hair because it's just gonna cause breakage and it's gonna ruin the curl pattern that I have going on. Now I'm gonna be talking about hair ties. Throughout my journey, I have been using these satin scrunchies. First of all, they're very cute, and second of all, these types of hair ties can cause breakage, and this is a lot softer on the hair. Definitely there are going to be times, let's say if you're working with 4-day hair and then you're trying to do this style, you would use this. That's okay. So if you're just trying to pick up your hair really quick, these are the go-to and not necessarily these. Again, this is just what I do personally. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is protecting your style as you're going to sleep. And this is really important because definitely once you wash your hair, you just want to maintain the waves that you have. And again, once you're going to be refreshing the next day, you don't want to be doing too much work. Personally, I like to use a satin pillowcase just because the bonnet, I just don't like that feeling around my head. I'll only use a bonnet if I'm doing let's say some braids and I want to maintain it for the next day. But personally, I like to use satin pillowcases, and what this does is prevent any frizz. Moving on to the next way is using a bonnet, and this one I actually got from Dollar Tree and the quality is actually pretty good. Again, you really don't have to go out and start buying all these products and spend a lot of money. You definitely could find these products for a very affordable price. The next way that I wanted to share with you guys is using a scarf. So what you would do is just put your hair in a pineapple. So you grab your whole hair, you put in a little pineapple, and then you grab your scarf and then you just wrap it around there. Your curls are gonna stay fresh and it's gonna prevent any frizz. Another thing that I wanted to talk about are headscarves. I recently uploaded a video with some hairstyle using scarves because at times you're I don't know what hairstyle to do with my hair, and it's definitely a good way just to change things up. So after this video, feel free to go watch that video to get some hair inspo. The next thing I'm going to be talking about has been what has changed everything for me, which is using a diffuser. And let's say if you guys don't have a diffuser, don't worry, they actually sell diffusers by themselves at Ulta. They're only $9, and definitely I have seen on Amazon as well that are travel friendly and everything. Definitely I have noticed when using a diffuser, it just really enhances the wave type of pattern that I have. I'm going to be inserting a picture of the diffuser that I have. Definitely on Amazon you can find other ones travel friendly and everything like that. But yes, definitely I feel everyone should have a diffuser. But if you guys don't like to use any sort of heat on your hair, then you can always like air dry it, and that is definitely like good as well. The next thing I wanted to talk about that is very important is using either a microfiber towel or a t-shirt. Before I started my hair journey, I actually used to use a towel, and I hadn't known that the towel actually causes frizz. Therefore, when you use either a microfiber towel or a t-shirt, it actually prevents frizz, and I have definitely noticed this once I began my hair journey. And again, you really, if you don't want a microfiber towel, like you don't have to go and like spend money on that. Honestly, I just use one of my old t-shirts, and what I like to do is just use whatever old t-shirt that I have to dry my hair. It really honestly doesn't matter as long as like it's a t-shirt. The next thing that I wanted to talk about is if you guys are looking to add more volume to your hair, I'm going to try to explain this the best that I can, but I'm going to be inserting a picture of the type of clips that I'm talking about. It's these type of clips that you can use, and what you do is you grab like these two front pieces, and you could just do it like along this whole line, and you just grab the two pieces and you're just gonna clip. And you do this once you're about to blow dry your hair, and this adds just a lot more volume to this area. If you guys would want me to do a video on that, I could definitely do that. I have seen a lot of curly hair dressers do this to add more volume to the style. The next thing I'm going to be talking about are spray bottles, because when you're going to be refreshing your hair, you honestly just could go to the sink and like just like wet your hair, but with the spray bottle it just makes things a lot easier. And I actually need to get a new one because I did a rice water and I kind of left it for a day or so, and it did not smell good, so I had to dispose of that. But I definitely need to get a new one, because when I refresh my curls, I just kind of like to like spray throughout my hair, and it honestly just makes everything a lot easier. Again, Dollar Tree, $1 spray bottle. Really don't have to spend too much money on that. And yeah, the next thing I'm going to be talking about is if you want to add more volume to your hair, what you can use is a hair pick. Again, this is from the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree is honestly just stepping it up. I just cannot tell you, they have so many things. I love going to the Dollar Tree. It's great. Once you finish blow drying your hair with the diffuser, what you can do is just grab your pick, and then you kind of just start like lifting it up, and then you could just like shake around your hair, and it honestly just adds like a lot of volume. And if you have more towards the 3 or 4 curls, a pick can really just add a lot of volume to your hair. The last thing I'm going to be talking about today is this hair scalp massager. I got mine off Amazon for like around $6, I believe. I'm gonna have everything linked down below so you guys can go check that out. But definitely I have noticed that this is just very like relaxing, and it helps to get any buildup that you may have in your hair. It also helps stimulate hair growth. This is the end to this video. I really do hope that you guys enjoy watching this video. I tried to mention as many tips along with the tools that I had mentioned, and again, these are all the tips and tools that I have been using along my hair journey. I really do hope that you guys enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials if you like, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.